Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to change a photo in a Canva template. Perfect for refreshing your social media design or customizing any creative project in minutes. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Canva in your web browser and signing into your account. Once you're on the homepage, head to the search bar and type something like profile template or cool profile. You'll see a range of ready-made templates you can use. Browse through them and click on the one that fits your style best. Next, click Customize this template to open it inside Canva's editor. This is your creative workspace where you can edit text, colors, and most importantly, replace images. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with several options. Click on Uploads. This section lets you manage all your personal image files. If you've uploaded images before, they'll appear here. Otherwise, click Upload Files to add a new photo from your computer or device. You can also drag and drop an image directly into Canva for quick uploading. Once your photo appears in the Uploads panel, it's time to replace the existing image in the template. Simply click and drag your new photo onto the image placeholder in the design. Canva will instantly swap it in and automatically resize it to fit the frame. If the placement isn't perfect, don't worry. You can double-click the photo to adjust the crop or reposition it using the corner handles until it looks just right. You can also tweak brightness, contrast, or filters by clicking Edit Image on the toolbar. This helps your new picture blend seamlessly with the rest of the design. After that, feel free to personalize other elements like the text, font, or background colors to match your theme. Canva gives you full control to make it your own. When you're done, hit Download in the top right corner to save your design as an image, PDF, or any format you prefer. And that's it. You've successfully changed a photo in a Canva template. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and a great way to keep your visuals fresh and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment for more easy Canva and design tips. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.